241, roger.
In the unit with,
Okay, well, I think we have it now. It's going to be, he's at the corner house, Little Silver Court and Angelique.
Silver, at the corner of Little Silver Court and Angelique.
Yeah, and firm. He does have a, looks like a 1911 or semi-auto in his hand right now, pointed up towards the air. Not at us, just the air right now. And does have earmuffs on, so.
The subject is holding a semi-auto in his hand, pointed it up at the air.
And Abel, at this point, go ahead and make it at least a PRT assist and have the units, I'll give you a staging area here in just a second.
Probably will be a PRT assist.
Yeah.
243, John, I'm going to be at 11600 Cypress Canyon.
620 Lincoln, can you copy?
That was 1100?
Yeah, north of Cypress Canyon. He's in the driveway kind of pointing north.
Which one? The first floor parking structure.
Subject in the driveway pointing north,
1145. A while ago.
And Abel, I do have the Orkin guy that is knelt down behind his truck directly across the street. So as long as we have a react team that's prepared to evac this guy, it is not safe for him to move just yet.
613, John, for the unit that's in a Nike store, can you meet on?
Confirming the staging location will be 11,600 Cypress Canyon.
11600 Cypress Canyon.
10-4, 11,600 Cypress Canyon Road.
Put the gun down? Yeah, let's do it. And just for us, he's making shooting motions. Has we have heard any 11-6s yet? Any reports of 11-6s?
You guys are still with us, or you had to clear for the code 12?
Negative.
Yeah, is it the other RC who's next to that silver pickup truck?
He's on the line. He's
Okay, do we need to bear down
So
to
if
one
the
location?
truck belongs to the male that's now walking around and taking photos.
Gonna slide over to
guy at P8 is still
we're just confirming that's not one of the RCs.
If he's on the line with communication,
That's a negative on this side.
to the south to the units.
Okay, 10-4, sounds good.
He's in right here.
Oh, okay. Abel, if we are talking to that guy, see him by his truck, the silver truck, he needs to move out. He is in a line of fire. And just for us, your Orkin guy just got in the back of his white, well-marked Orkin van. So he's in the back of that truck, just for officers responding.
So for the Orkin employee got back into the back of the truck.
We're going to do our trials, just confirming that. Do they recognize the subject as a neighbor who lives in that house? Officers, and the guys who were the victims of that 417 or construction workers here.
Able to break the air. He is moving. He's walking westbound right now to the corner.
The reported male with the knife.
Weapons for the corner.
Pointing the gun at the react team.
The area for any potential victims of either stabbing or 417.
You taking left? I got right side of the tree. You got left? Azizis. I got it. He's on the move.
Suspect is down. He's not moving.
All right. Yeah. Oh, you're good. That's just sitting up. You guys offer?